Welcome to EDUonGo. This is a very short tour of the environment from the learner's point of view. This home screen is what we'll see when we first log in as a learner. As you can see, there are tiles here, and the My Documents tile, that holds any documents a learner wants to upload. It could be homework, it could be videos, it could be audios, and they can share these with peers or they can use them as homework and turn them in on assignments. As you can see, there's a tile for Contact Me and a Getting Social tile. There's a Draw It application for communicating visually there. There's a to-do list. There's a My Profile where learners can upload their image. They can change their password under settings. And if you click on Launch Your Own or the purple tile here, you can see your courses. As you can see, this student only has one course. I think I'll drag this out of the way. This student has just one course. If he had 50 courses, they'd all be stacked up here. You can click on the title of the course to access the course. Here in the course, you can see these numbered items. I'm guessing that these are sessions. This is where content is, and I would start with this number 1, and the fact that it says introduction kind of helps. Looks like this one is open starting today, and it's only good for a week. So it looks like you can set a session to be available for a week. Some of these you can see they're not available yet. So let's just check on what introduction is all about. And before we go there, let me point out that there is navigation here on the left. I know what these words mean, but I'm not really sure how to get there, or I'm not sure what they're about. I can certainly tell how to get there by clicking on them, I imagine. There's something here on the right. If I click here, it changes it just into the titles of the sessions. So let's just go into the first one. This is interesting. There appears to be something like a slider here. It's got 3 squares on below. If I click on each of these, I see there's actually different content. It's like I'm going to have to scroll to see this, all of this. And here I see this item here. I'm not sure what that is, but if I click on it, it tells me, it's asking me a question. What's puzzling me? Give it to me straight. I can take it. The user experience is a complete mystery to UI designers. They're asking me a question. So I can click here, and I can see that lots of people have commented here. You can comment to a comment, it looks like, and a comment to a comment to a comment. It can get pretty complicated, can't it? I can add my post here in response to this question about what's puzzling me, or I can just close this by clicking there. It looks like there's a write us down here. Let's see what that's all about. I'm going to click on that. I think I'll just tell them my name is Tomas. Let's see, what could I give myself? I don't want to really say anything real. I mean, Tomas Wise Guy. Email. I'm not sure where I'm going to put down here. Let's try something. Let's say Ridvan does really good work. And then I'm going to say both of them because everybody at this company is named Ridvan. And I'm going to send it. We'll see if they actually have something to say about that. Actually, it looks like you can use this to send a message to them about something that's not working right if you want to. Or you could just send a nice message or a confusing message. I can see that on this page there was that question about what's puzzling you, but there's also a video here. Let's see about this video. This is a learner introduction to the course environment, which is exactly what we're doing here. So that it would be kind of strange to look at. So I'm not going to open that up. I don't know exactly what that's going to do. A movie within a movie. Well, what the heck? Shouldn't hurt. Let's open it up. Okay. So this is interesting. It says undefined, unsupported video format. That's a little strange. If this were a regular video, you could play the video here, and unusually, you can make a comment, and it would show in a little line right along this bar here. So, I think it's I'm sorry about this. I'm not sure exactly why this isn't showing, but whoever is responsible for this shall pay. All right. I think it's me, actually. Sonotic, I'm not really going to pay. I don't have any money. Now you can see here that we can move to the next module or session by clicking this. It says it's not going to be available till next week. What does that mean? I can actually navigate through it. Looks like I have content showing. And you see that this changes as I click. Very nice. What's your problem? Oh, I got a lot of problems. You want to hear about those? I see that there's quite a bit of stuff down here that's scrolling down. So that's text that's put in there. Explore your audience. So this is quite a few. I wonder how many different tiles you can put in here. Here's a quiz. I can click on a quiz at the end of this. And it looks like I have to click here to take the quiz. There's some questions here. I'm really not sure what towers were brought down or disappeared in 2001, but I'm just going to take a random guess and say it's the Trade Center Towers. Not sure if that's exactly what they were called. Person who made that list is probably not really a teacher. Patrick Henry famously stated from the floor of the Second Continental Congress, "Give me liberty or give me death." Sure seems like it's true to me. I'm going to click that. If you were a stenographer, what would you be doing during your workday? Entering financial data into a database, that sounds important. Writing down messages in code that less than 1 in 1,000 can understand. I don't know about that. That sounds like from a movie or something. Operating a Morse code machine also. How about creating large, expensive cigars? Stenographer, stogie. You know what? I'm going to pick that. I didn't do my homework, so I don't really know. But stogie and stenographer, that sounds a lot alike. I'll go with that. So I got it all done. I'm going to submit it. Let's see what happens. Are you sure? I didn't click it for nothing, man. Of course I'm sure. What are you talking about? Well, that was interesting. That's a quiz. I can see my results here. Let's see what I got. Well, I got that right. What? Patrick Henry gave me liberty or give me death. Everybody knows he said that. Well, maybe he didn't say it from the floor of the Second Continental Congress. Pretty picky if you ask me. I can't believe this. It's not the stogie. Writing down messages in code that less than 1 in 1,000 can understand. Weird. I guess I ought to do my homework. So that one isn't bad. I got 10 out of 30. That's 33%. It's actually above my average. So I can click close down there or click close up here. Let's go back. Let's consider what's going on here at these. If I click here on sessions, I get the list of sessions. That makes sense. So wherever I am, I can click here and get back to the course sessions. The lounge. Okay. This is a place where people make comments. We've had a lot of comments here. My goodness. Okay. So it looks like we also can upload media like video or I don't know what else, but it could be audio. I mean, that looks like a record. I can post links. I can upload files, it looks like. I can post a question. And I can put a link to an article. Okay, pretty cool. So this is a lounge where everybody comes and just talks about whatever they want to. These people appear to be introducing themselves. That's nice. Okay, what about assignments? I can click here and I can see there's a heck of a lot of assignments. I really don't know if I want this course. There's only one quiz and it's a sample quiz. That's nice. Discussions. Wow, here's a lot of discussions. I can click on these and I can go and see the discussion that I saw earlier. And there's 9 comments here about what's puzzling people. Very nice. People have a lot of puzzles, it looks like. Finally, there's the grades in the calendar. That's pretty cool. Let's see if it says anything about it. Apparently I haven't done enough to get a grade. Okay, well, I guess I can kind of understand that. Here's the calendar. That's interesting. It looks like on this calendar, I can see what assignments I have due. These are all started in August, and they're going to be done by the end of the month. Those are strange dates, but you can see how the calendar allows us to see it. Now I can find my assignment and I can click here and go to my assignment. So I can submit my assignment here. That's pretty nice. All right, so that's the end of our tour. It's probably a bit long. Let's see if we can end it